Starting an LLC is easier than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 simple steps to create and maintain your Texas LLC. We've got everything you need, from naming your business to making it official. Let's begin. Are you ready to start your own LLC but unsure where to begin? Are you tired of wrestling with LLC paperwork? No worries, Malay Law is here to make it easy for you. We'll take care of the paperwork while you chase your dream. Say goodbye to confusion. Click the link in the description for a free call and kickstart your LLC today. Step 1. Choosing a name for your Texas LLC. The first step in starting your Texas LLC is selecting the perfect name for your business. Now, this isn't just about coming up with a catchy title. Your LLC's name must be unique and not already in use by another business in Texas. To check if your chosen name is available, simply head over to the Texas Secretary of State's website and perform a quick search. But wait, there's more to it. Your LLC's name must include the words Limited Liability Company or abbreviations like LLC or LLC. And of course, it should represent your business and its character. Step 2. Designating a registered agent. Now that you've got a name that screams Texas business, it's time to designate a registered agent. This crucial role involves an individual or entity that'll receive official documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address within the state of Texas where they can be reached during regular business hours. You can opt to be your LLC's registered agent, or you can hire a professional registered agent service to take care of this responsibility. Just make sure they're reliable and on the ball. Step 3. File certificate of formation. With your name and registered agent sorted, it's time for the big moment, filing the certificate of formation, also known as Form 205, with the Texas Secretary of State. This form is like the birth certificate for your LLC, officially bringing it into existence. Filling out Texas's Form 205 is a crucial step in officially establishing your business. Here's how to fill it step by step. First of all, access the form. Visit the Texas Secretary of State's website to find and download Form 205. Next, choose the filing method. Decide whether you want to file online or by mail, selecting the method that suits you best. Now, at the top of the form, provide your LLC's name, type, physical Texas address, and the name and address of your registered agent. In the Entity Purpose section, describe your LLC's intended business activities. Keep it concise and specific. In the Governing Authority section, indicate whether your LLC will be managed by members or managers. In the Organizer Information section, include the names and addresses of the LLC's organizers. In the Effective Date section, specify the effective date of your LLC's formation, which can be either the filing date or a future date. In the Principal Office Address section, provide the address of your LLC's principal office, if different from the physical address mentioned earlier. In the Management Structure section, describe whether your LLC will have managers, members, or both, and specify their names and addresses. In the Organizer's Certification, the organizers must sign and date the form, certifying its accuracy. If filing online, follow the prompts to submit the form and pay the required filing fee. For mail-in submissions, include a check or money order for the fee. Before submitting, double-check all information for accuracy. Once submitted, you'll receive confirmation of your LLC's formation. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Now that your LLC is on the books, consider crafting an operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be structured and managed internally. While Texas doesn't legally require you to have an operating agreement, having one is like a roadmap for your business's journey. Think of it as a set of rules that govern your LLC's operations, including member rights, responsibilities, and decision-making processes. It's a valuable tool to avoid misunderstandings among members and can help protect your LLC's limited liability status. Step 5. Get an EIN. Your business needs its very own Social Security number, or in business lingo, an employer identification number from the IRS. This 9-digit number is essential for tax purposes and various legal transactions. Getting an EIN is a breeze. You can apply for one online through the IRS website, and best of all, it's free. Your EIN will be required for everything from opening a bank account to filing taxes, so keep it safe. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fill out the Form SS4 for getting your EIN. Firstly, visit the IRS website to access Form SS4, where you can apply for an EIN online using the IRS EIN Assistant tool. In the Legal Structure section, indicate the legal structure of your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, LLC, or any other entity. In the Reason for Applying section, specify why you're applying for an EIN, such as starting a new business, hiring employees, or opening a bank account. Next, provide your personal information, including your name, social security number, or individual taxpayer identification number, and contact details. In business information, write details about your business, such as its name, address, and the state where it's located. In the Responsible Party section, identify the responsible party for your business. This is typically the owner, partner, or principal officer, along with their SSN or ITIN. If your business previously had an EIN, indicate it in the previous EIN section. Lastly, sign and date the application to certify its accuracy. If applying online, follow the prompts to submit the application. If applying by mail or fax, send the completed form to the appropriate IRS address or fax number as indicated in the instructions. Once processed, you will receive your EIN from the IRS. Step 6. Comply with state tax and regulatory requirements. Now that you've got the paperwork squared away, it's time to navigate Texas's tax and regulatory requirements. Depending on your business type and industry, you may need to obtain sales tax permits, fulfill employment tax obligations, or secure industry-specific licenses or permits. A good place to start is by checking with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts and any other relevant state agencies. Staying on top of these requirements is essential to keep your business on the right side of the law. Step 7. Annual reporting and taxes. Taxes. The one thing is certain as the Texas sun. As an LLC owner in Texas, you might be required to file an annual franchise tax report and pay any taxes owed. The due date for your franchise tax report depends on your LLC's specific filing period. Make sure you're aware of your deadlines and stay updated on any changes in tax laws. Staying current with your tax obligations ensures a smooth ride for your business. Step 8. Protecting your brand. Last, but certainly not least, it's essential to safeguard your brand and intellectual property. Registering trademarks or copyrights for your business name, logo, or products can help protect your creative work and prevent others from using it without your permission. Additionally, consider getting business insurance to protect your LLC from unexpected events or liabilities. Insurance provides peace of mind and financial security in case of unforeseen circumstances. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give us a hearty thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. That way, you won't miss any future videos packed with helpful information. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps we've covered, drop us a note in the comments below. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for riding along with us today, and best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful Texan entrepreneur. Until next time.